Hello and welcome to Will's Lab. Imagine you have a task you need to do over and over again. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, JavaScript gives us a better solution. It's called functions. In this video, I'll explain JavaScript function in the simplest way possible. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what functions are, why we use them, and how to create them on your own. Let's get started. In our last video, we learned about objects and how they help us group related informations together. Today, we are going to learn something that makes our code cleaner, more organized, and reusable. Now, let's talk about function and what functions are. Let's start with a real life example. Imagine you work in a restaurant. Every morning, someone makes a cup of coffee. Would it make sense to explain every single step every time? Probably not. Instead, you simply say, make a coffee. That's because everyone already knows the step. A JavaScript function works the same way. It's a named block of code that performs a simple task. Okay? For instance, we have this. We have function greet, and we have hello. Okay? Now this function keyword tells JavaScript that we are creating a function. Now the greet over here, this is the function name. Okay, this greet here is the function name. The parentheses here will later hold information we want to give to the function. Okay, this parenthesis will later hold the information we want to give to the function, but for now it's empty. Okay, now the curly braces contains the code the function will run. This curly braces contains the code the function will run. For now, we are console logging it to hello. Okay. Creating a function doesn't automatically run it. What then happens when we run this code? Let's see. You see, nothing happens. Now this parenthesis here tells the JavaScript to execute the function of this. Okay. Now think of creating a function like saving a phone number. It doesn't call the person until you actually press the call button. Okay. Now let's talk about why functions matters. Now what if we need this function 100 times? We can do welcome and we do it again. Much cleaner. Functions help us avoid repeating codes. Now let's talk about parameters. Right now our function always says the same thing. What if we wanted to greet different people? Now we say function will be name and the console log will be hello plus name. Now let's say greet John. So let's say greet John, greet Sarah, greet Rails. For now, let's take this out. Now let's console log and see what happens. You see, we have hello John, hello Sarah, hello Rails. The word name is called parameter. What is inside the parentheses is called parameter. Okay. A parameter is like a placeholder. Every time we call the function, we can give it a different value. Now let's talk about returning of values. Function doesn't just perform tasks, they can also give us information back. Just like this, we say function, okay, let's get rid of this. Now let's say add, we say A and B, and the return here will be A plus B. Okay, then let's confirm this. If we say const result add 5 and 3, now we say console.log and the result, let's see what our output will give us. Let me clear this. Let's see what our output gives us. See, it gives us 8 because it's add 5, and 3. So you see, the return keyword sends a value back to wherever the function was called. Now, in real world example, functions are used everywhere. For example, logging in users, calculating prices, sending messages, processing payments, validating forms, calling API. Every modern website relies on function. That's one thing you should know. Now I have a mini challenge for you. Now let's say function of introduce your name, and the console, we want it to show my name is plus name. Okay, so this is a mini challenge. Now I want you to change the names and see the output. Okay, put three different names for them to display my name is with the names here at the output. I'll see you in the solution video. Now here it is. It's simple. You do introduce, we say John, we say introduce, and we say Wills. Now let's run it and see. We run it to see my name is John, my name is Wills. So this is simple. If you were unable to do it, I hope this solution video helps you learn it. And if you were able to do it on your own, kudos to you. Today we've learned what function is, how to create one, how to call it, what parameters are, how returns work, and why function helps us write cleaner code. Okay, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe to Will's Lab. We are building a complete JavaScript course for absolute beginners, one lesson at a time. Remember, every expert developer was once a beginner. So keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.